Want to cool down your RAV4 2025? It's simple. Locate the climate control panel on the center console or touchscreen. Press the AC button. It might have an air conditioner icon. Then adjust the temperature using the up-down buttons or sliders and select your desired fan speed and airflow direction. The RAV4 2025 features an intuitive climate control interface. Base trims use physical knobs for straightforward operation. Look for the clearly marked AC button to initiate cooling. Higher trims have a 12.3-inch touchscreen for more advanced controls. The panel also lets you control temperature, fan speed, and where the air flows, like vents, floor, or defrost. If you have a RAV4 2025 hybrid, the AC system cleverly uses electric power when the battery has enough charge. This means quieter operation. The system automatically switches between gasoline and electric power to optimize efficiency and keep you cool. The RAV4's AC system operates on vapor compression refrigeration, a cycle that cools air by compressing and expanding refrigerant gas. The system circulates R1234YF refrigerant, a low global warming potential gas that absorbs heat from the cabin and releases it outside the vehicle. Key components include the compressor, which pressurizes the refrigerant, the condenser, which expels heat, the evaporator, which cools the cabin air, and the expansion valve, which controls pressure. Pressing the AC button on the climate control panel activates the compressor, which starts the vapor compression cycle to cool the cabin. The air conditioning system in the RAV4 draws between 1 and 2 kilowatts of power during operation. In hybrid models, the AC leverages energy recovered through regenerative braking, making the system more efficient than traditional gasoline-only vehicles. Using the AC efficiently can extend your hybrid vehicle's range by up to 10%, according to Toyota. If your AC isn't blowing cold air, common causes include low refrigerant levels from leaks, electrical faults like blown fuses or bad relays, or issues like dirty filters blocking airflow. Start troubleshooting by checking for visible leaks, unusual noises, or dashboard error lights. However, refrigerant handling and electrical repairs should be done by professionals. Regular maintenance helps prevent these problems. Clean or replace air filters regularly, inspect coils, check refrigerant levels, and have electrical components inspected annually. Always consult your owner's manual or a certified technician for proper diagnosis and repairs to ensure safety and warranty compliance. Future RAV4 models will feature AI-driven controls that automatically adjust the climate system based on GPS data, cooling the cabin before you arrive at a hot location. Expect more multi-zone climate systems that provide personalized cooling for different passengers, using sensors to adjust airflow and temperature individually. There's a strong push toward natural refrigerants like CO2 for reduced environmental impact, and solar-assisted AC systems that use photovoltaic panels to power cooling, boosting overall sustainability. Experts recommend checking refrigerant levels annually to prevent leaks and ensure cooling efficiency. Avoid running the AC on maximum while the vehicle is idling to conserve fuel and battery power. Keep your AC system maintained for optimal performance and efficiency.